How to install the JPT laser source. Connect main power for laser source. For laser source above 3000-10,000, you need connect power to factory. For other power, you can connect to L21, L22, LPDU, OTH3 and N in cabinet. Connect control cable on laser source. Connect control cable to cabinet. Analog to 10V plus to D2 plus. Analog to 10V to D2. Modulation plus connect to P plus. Modulation to P. Enable plus to enable. Enable RG and D2 laser. Connect to Bedouin chiller and laser source. Make sure low temperature output connect to inlet of laser source. Make sure lower temperature input connect to outlet of laser source. Remove the chain cover and ready to install fiber line. Install the fiber line to machine. Pay attention to protect the lens on the optical fiber head. Do not bend the optical fiber too much to avoid damage. Install the fiber head to cutting head. Pay attention to the installation in a horizontal position to avoid the entry of dust. Power on laser source after chiller normal working 20 minutes.